Lucy is a very good story. Lucy came and said, joint pain gone. And she was dancing. Joint pain is gone. Now don't you ever draw the conclusion that all joint pains will go. What did Lucy have? That's the first question you should ask. We reduce the world into bits and study. Physics is like that. We went in search of the particles. Okay? Everybody went in search of particles. And each one described particles in such a way. Great science. Everybody got Nobel Prize. All of those were bloody fools, and all the Nobel Prizes were a waste of money. One was the best. He said, all these fellows are bloody fools. That is Werner Heisenberg. He said uncertainty. Get the point? Fellows after that also wrong, before that also were wrong. So we must go into studying noni plant as a chocolate and not as sugar, cocoa and milk. Did you get the difference now? The holistic science is studying the whole. The reductionist science is studying its bits. And science now has realized what was known to Indian wisdom, that the whole is not necessarily the sum total of the bits. What a beautiful saying. The whole is not necessarily the sum total of the bits. And the bits put together need not make the whole. See, what a beautiful thing. And if you take a bit from the whole, supposing you take a little sugar from the chocolate, chocolate remains chocolate, sugar remains sugar. Did you understand that? That is exactly what is said in the Indian scriptures. Purnamadaha, that's whole. Purnamidaha, this is whole. Purnasya, from the whole. Purnamadaya, if you take a bit. Purnamavevashishtate, the whole remains a whole, bit becomes a whole. What a beautiful saying. Now Western science has accepted this as the future of scientific research. Now let us start from there and do noni research. Next slide. Go back. No, go back. Okay. Come, wait. Now you reported so many drug trials which you called in the last meeting as success stories. I still remember Lucy. Lucy is a very good story. Lucy came and said, joint pain gone. And she was dancing. Joint pain is gone. Now don't you ever draw the conclusion that all joint pains will go. What did Lucy have? That's the first question you should ask and confirm that. Diagnosis must be unequivocal. Number one. Joint pain could be due to umpteen causes. The commonest cause of joint pain is if you fear you get joint pain, your joints start paining. Supposing you go and see a person who has got very bad joint pain and crippled and walks like that, you get frightened, come home, your joints start aching here and there. Do you know why? You have a mind in the joint cells also, and that mind gets worried. When will I get this? When will I get this? Do I get this? Do I get this? You are inviting it. Do I get it? And you get it. Remember that? Somebody is worried about cancer, looking at someone dying of cancer. Everyday cancer. We see this every day in medical students. When they first come to the medical college and see a patient, he thinks he has a disease. I still remember a student who came one day with the muscle twitching there. He was shaking. He said, sir. He said, what? Muscle shaking, sir. It doesn't matter. All tired muscle shake. You must have used your hand badly. It shakes. It's all right. When you are in tiredness. No, sir. Fibrillation, the muscle is the first sign of motor neuron disease. Motor neuron disease is the most deadly disease. And if you get it, you die within 2 years. So this boy had read it the previous night, motor neuron disease, for the examination, and registered it inside. And fibrillation. But what he had missed is, there it's written in small print, fibrillation in a wasted muscle is a sign of motor neuron disease. Fibrillation in a normal muscle is not. You understand that? This is a normal muscle is just fibrillating. Motor neuron. This is every day. This fellow see a throat cancer and then says, sir, he can't swallow properly, sir. If you see a heart attack patient, then your heart also aches a bit. So this is exactly what is happening to science.